Embarking on a journey through time, archaeology unveils the treasures of our ancestors, from monumental ruins to enigmatic artifacts. Each discovery paints a vivid picture of civilizations long gone, sparking wonder and debate. What hidden wonders await beneath the sands and jungles, waiting to rewrite history? Join us as we uncover the top 10 greatest archaeological marvels, revealing humanity's incredible legacy buried beneath the Earth's surface. The Library of Ashurbanipal, found in the 7th century BCE in Nineveh, represents a pivotal milestone in the preservation of ancient knowledge. Established by King Ashurbanipal of the Neo-Assyrian Empire, it housed over 30,000 cuneiform texts aimed at safeguarding Mesopotamia's rich cultural heritage. Unlike earlier collections housed in Sumerian scribal houses and temples, Ashurbanipal's library was the first systematically organized repository of diverse texts covering a wide range of subjects. Ashurbanipal, known for his scholarly pursuits and educated upbringing in the scribal school, inherited a stable Assyrian empire thanks to strategic measures by his father, Esarhaddon. Following his ascension, he consolidated power through diplomatic treaties and effective governance, ensuring a smooth transition that avoided the internal strife of previous successions. His library, however, faced destruction during the fall of Nineveh in 612 BCE, when Babylonians, Medes, and Persians sacked the city, inadvertently preserving its treasures through fire and burial. Rediscovered over 2 millennia later by archaeologists, the Library of Ashurbanipal remains a testament to ancient Mesopotamian scholarship and the enduring legacy of its literate rulers. Despite its relatively short existence of around 30 years, the library's impact on modern understanding of Assyrian culture and history is immeasurable, highlighting the paradoxical role of destruction in preserving the past. The Aztec Calendar, renowned for its intricacy and symbolism, encompasses 2 distinct cycles essential to their cultural and agricultural life. The Shupohuali, or 365-day solar calendar, regulated agricultural activities based on seasonal changes linked to the sun. In contrast, the tonal Pohuali, known as the sacred calendar, consisted of a 260-day ritual cycle. This cycle combined 20-day signs with 13 numbers, creating a unique identifier for each day within the sequence. The intricate interplay between these cycles formed a larger 52-year cycle, termed the calendar round, marking significant periods of time and ensuring the alignment of agricultural and religious practices. The Aztec Sunstone, a prominent artifact displayed at the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City, vividly illustrates these calendrical symbols, highlighting the Aztec civilization's sophisticated understanding and reverence for celestial and earthly rhythms. Homo naledi, an intriguing species of extinct human, was discovered in the Rising Star Cave System in South Africa's Transvaal region. This species, initially believed to have emerged around 2.8 to 2.5 million years ago during the early phases of Homo evolution, has had its age re-evaluated. Recent dating techniques using uranium thorium and electron spin resonance on teeth indicate that Homo naledi lived between 335,000 and 236,000 years ago, much more recently than originally thought. The discovery of over 1,500 fossil specimens from at least 15 individuals, including males and females of various ages, has provided paleontologists with unprecedented insights into this species. Homo naledi exhibits a unique blend of anatomical features, sharing traits with both Homo and Australopithecus species. It possesses a small brain size akin to earlier hominins, yet shows sophisticated traits such as ritualistic behavior, challenging conventional ideas about the timing of complex cognitive abilities in human evolution. The findings from the Rising Cave Complex highlight the diversity and complexity of our evolutionary past, suggesting that Homo naledi coexisted alongside more advanced human species much more recently than previously assumed, contributing to the rich tapestry of human evolutionary history. The Shima Ruins, located at the northern edge of the Loess Plateau in Shanxi Province, China, constitute the largest prehistoric city discovered in the country, covering an expansive area of 4 square kilometers. Dating back to 2000 BC, these Neolithic ruins were first unearthed in 1976, but received official recognition as a protected monument of national cultural heritage 3 decades later. A comprehensive study of the site commenced in 2011, revealing a wealth of archaeological treasures. Excavations have uncovered fortified gates, intricate stone walls encircling the city, palaces, residential buildings, tombs, workshops, and sacrificial altars. Notably, the discovery in 2013 of a sophisticated outer gate highlighted advanced construction techniques previously unknown for its era. Sun Xiaoyang, a researcher at Shaanxi Archaeology and Research Institute, emphasized that defensive structures alongside the city walls challenge earlier historical assumptions, potentially pushing their origins back beyond the spring and autumn periods, 8th to 5th centuries BC. Artifacts like jade, murals, and abundant pottery fragments affirm Shimao's significance as a major prehistoric urban center in ancient China. Archaeologists in China have recently highlighted a significant find from the Sanxingdui ruins, a fragment of a gold mask. This site, dating back 3,000 years, is located in the Sichuan province and contains numerous pottery, jade, bronze, and gold artifacts. The gold mask, unearthed from the No. 5 sacrificial pit, measures 23 centimeters in width and 28 centimeters in height, making it the largest of its kind discovered to date. Although only half of the mask has been recovered, it weighs 280 grams, with estimates suggesting the complete mask could weigh over 500 grams. The mask features a hole in the earlobe, a trait seen in other masks from the site, hinting at an ear-piercing tradition among the ancient Shu people. In the No. 1 sacrificial pit, a gold foil mask was found, believed to have been attached to a head sculpture. Similar masks were found in the No. 2 pit in 1986, with bronze heads covered in gold foil. These masks, with finely hollowed eyes and eyebrows, likely represent important figures of the time. The Benin Bronzes are a vast collection of metal plaques and sculptures from the Kingdom of Benin, now the Edo State, Nigeria. Created by Edo artists from the 14th century, these pieces adorned the royal palace, depicting historical scenes and themes. The collection includes plaques, portrait heads, jewelry, and smaller items made from brass and bronze, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship through the lost wax casting technique. Seized by British forces during the 1897 Benin expedition, most of the artifacts were distributed to European and American museums, with a significant number held by the British Museum. The expedition, framed as retaliation for an attack on a British party, is viewed by some scholars as part of broader imperialistic aims. Despite their dispersal, the Benin Bronzes symbolize the rich cultural heritage of the Kingdom of Benin, serving ceremonial purposes. They continue to be celebrated for their artistic excellence and historical significance, with ongoing repatriation discussions. In a groundbreaking study, scientists from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Leipzig have successfully sequenced the complete genome of a female Neanderthal discovered in Vindiga Cave, Croatia. This achievement marks a significant advancement in our understanding of Neanderthal genetics and their interactions with early human populations. The genome analysis focused on comparing the newly sequenced Neanderthal from Croatia with a previously sequenced Neanderthal from the Altai Mountains in Siberia. Despite being geographically distant, these Neanderthals exhibited remarkably close genetic similarities, indicating a small and isolated population of Neanderthals across different regions and time periods. One of the most striking findings of the study was the revelation that the Croatian Neanderthal shares a closer genetic relationship with the Neanderthals who interbred with the ancestors of modern non-African populations. This genetic legacy accounts for approximately 1.8 to 2.6% of the DNA found in present-day humans outside Africa, highlighting the lasting impact of Neanderthal gene flow on our genetic diversity. Furthermore, the research identified specific Neanderthal genetic variants that have persisted in modern human populations through interbreeding. Some of these genetic variants have been linked to disease resistance, providing insights into how interactions between Neanderthals and early humans may have influenced our evolutionary history. Discovered in 1968 at Suntaka Vesitorinmaki in Hattula, Finland, a grave containing weapons and brooches has intrigued researchers with its implications for early medieval Finnish society. Initially interpreted as evidence of female leadership or warrior status, the burial's significance has been debated, particularly concerning the presence of a sword alongside the remains. Some theories suggest the possibility of a dual burial scenario to explain these artifacts. In a pioneering effort, modern analysis of the Suntaka grave has provided fresh insights. Researchers have meticulously studied the burial's archaeological context, conducted detailed soil analysis for micro-remains, and performed advanced DNA analysis. These investigations propose a novel perspective. The individual interred at Suntaka may have exhibited XXY sex chromosome aneuploidy, a genetic condition challenging conventional gender categorizations. The overall context suggests that this individual held considerable societal respect, potentially indicative of a non-binary gender identity. This reinterpretation underscores the evolving understanding of gender roles in early medieval communities and underscores the importance of employing cutting-edge scientific methods to glean deeper insights from archaeological discoveries. In the expansive terrain of White Sands National Park, New Mexico, a groundbreaking discovery has emerged. Ancient footprints etched into the soft mud along the shores of what was once a shallow lake. These footprints, meticulously dated using cutting-edge radiocarbon techniques by a collaborative team from leading research institutions, offer unequivocal evidence of human activity more than 23,000 years ago. The tracks, primarily left by adolescents and children, interspersed with occasional adult prints, paint a vivid picture of early human interaction with a rich Pleistocene environment. This remarkable find not only redefines our understanding of human migration into the Americas, but also illuminates the intricate dynamics between ancient peoples and the diverse wildlife of the time, including mammoths, giant ground sloths, dire wolves, and various avian species. AL-288-1, commonly known as Lucy or Dink Inesh, is a remarkable fossil find that has profoundly influenced our understanding of human evolution. Discovered in 1974 in Ethiopia's Hadar region, Lucy's fossilized bones represent about 40% of a female Australopithecus afarensis skeleton. This species lived approximately 3.2 million years ago in what is now known as the Afar Triangle, an area renowned for its rich paleontological discoveries. Lucy's significance lies in her anatomical features, which provide crucial insights into early hominin development. Despite having a small skull, more akin to non-hominin apes, Lucy's skeletal structure shows clear adaptations for bipedalism. This upright, two-legged walking stance is a key characteristic shared with humans and other hominins, suggesting that bipedal locomotion preceded the expansion of brain size during human evolution. The name Lucy was inspired by the Beatles' song, "Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds," which was played during the expedition's celebration upon the discovery of her remains. This naming contributed to Lucy's widespread recognition and popular appeal, turning her into a household name. Following her discovery, Lucy's fossils underwent extensive study and reconstruction, initially in the United States and later returned to Ethiopia. This careful analysis continues to reveal new insights into the behaviors and adaptations of early humans. Lucy's legacy extends beyond her scientific importance. She symbolizes our ongoing exploration of human origins and the evolutionary processes that shaped us into what we are today. Thank you for joining us on this incredible archaeological odyssey. If you enjoyed exploring these remarkable discoveries, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys through history.